Okay, the first thing about the Teradata Reader Writer and FME is it relies upon the Teradata JDBC drivers. Now these are not installed with FME. So the first thing we need to do is install these into our FME, and the way to get them is to download them from the Teradata website. Now that's the URL right here, and if I've already brought up the Teradata website, and it's the JDBC drivers here. Now this site requires a login, but it's you can set up a free account. They don't charge you anything. So I've already logged in. We want the 13.10 drivers. The Teradata JDBC Reader Writer only reads Teradata 13.10 at the moment.
But top people are working on that right now.
Yes, yes. But we will, when we extend that, we extend that going forward. We won't be using it to read the earlier versions of Teradata. So we'll download the drivers, say yes to signing our life.
I don't think you read that carefully, Dave. Did you read that carefully?
Never do.
Okay. Don't tell Angela.
Okay, we open up the zip file, and in the zip file are a couple of jar files and a README. We don't need the README.
You don't read that either?
No.
Okay, so then
I don't read a whole lot.
You got to find out where your FME is installed probably. Ooh, looks like you got a few FMEs there.
Yeah. I always figure more is better.
Yeah.
But in this case, we're going to install it in FME 2013 Service Pack 1. Now, the Teradata Reader Writer is available only in Service Pack 1.
Yes.
So if you don't have Service Pack 1 installed, go to our happy little download site, which is fme.safe.com/download, and grab yourself a spanky new copy of FME. There's lots of good things in Service Pack 1.
One of them is a really good Teradata Reader Writer.
Yes, it is. Now there's a whole lot of folders here, but the one we're interested in is the plugins folder. And just scroll down to see files, and we'll just grab those.
You just drag it right in there anywhere.
Yeah, drop them in there.
But Dave, they might be harmful.
Yeah. Living on the edge, people, living on the edge. Now I've already done this, but we'll just copy and replace. And
that's gutsy. He's replacing it with what he just downloaded.
Yeah, normally when you first do this, it won't say copy and replace because you won't have them.
Okay.
But in this case, I would already install them, so we do. So there you see our new drivers are there, and that is all that is required to get Teradata up and working with FME.
Now, I know the database team assures me that if you forget this step and you try to do stuff with Teradata, it gives you a reasonably good error message that points you at this website. And
yeah, it will say you don't have the drivers, please install them.
Yeah.
It's nowhere near as cryptic as most of our error messages.
So. we worked hard to make this one good.